Hello guys, welcome back to the channel today. Are you tired of working as a healthcare worker, support worker, working in the warehouse? Are you aspiring of a higher income? Are you thinking of changing a job? If yes, grab this opportunity. And I will say it is those who have subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification bell that will benefit on this video, because some of the jobs will be expiring today and some of them will be expiring in later dates. So I want to advise you guys, for those of you who your notification bell is on, please hit on the application immediately. Do not wait till tomorrow. This is a civil service job. Is highly paid. Like, they will train you. You do not need qualification, you do not need certification. All you just need is apply and be ready to learn, and they will teach you everything. Before I proceed, this is your boy Jackpa Connects. I want to use the opportunity to say welcome back to my channel, and I want to also use the opportunity to say a big thank you to all our new and return viewers, and also a very big welcome to our new subscribers and old subscribers. For the new viewers on our channel, what we talk about migration, available scholarship in abroad, we talk about relocating with family, we talk about informations on visas, and also information on jobs that you can do as an immigrant, just like this particular one we're talking about today, and which I want to advise you guys to hit on the application. Do not wait till tomorrow. So I'll be showing you guys in a while with my laptop on how to navigate and how to start your application immediately. Please do not take this for granted. Start your application. Do not look at the time frame that you are saying there. As far as it has not expired and you still have time, believe me, you can still be accepted, because they are massively recruiting people. They are massively looking for people. The last time I checked it, I was seeing like over 200 people. They were looking for like over 200 candidates on one particular location, and over 80, over 100, over 300. So imagine how many people will be able to fill up this particular space. Please start your application immediately. I'll be showing you guys in a short time now with my laptop, so that you can get to see how to search for the job and how to start your application. And in addition, I'll be pasting the link on the description box. Thank you. So hello guys, this particular opportunity that we're talking about, all you need to do is just go to their government gov.uk, go to the civil service job, then you come here, that you can see what you type job coach, you send. We're not looking for a particular place. For those of you who are single, that can relocate, so you don't need to. So now these are the ones available. Now there used to be more than this, so some of them have been taken off. So these particular ones are the ones on now that I will advise you guys to apply immediately, like immediately. You understand? So these are the jobs. Then you can check all this place are the locations where the jobs are available. You understand? This is it. This is it. You can see them. You can see them. These are the dates that they'll be taking them off. So please start your own before this time. Start your own application before this close date time. You don't know what can happen. Start your own application immediately. And if at this point you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, very important, so that when we upload video like this, you will be the first person to apply. So please subscribe, and don't just look at the date. Don't just look at the date. They are looking for people. Apply. So not everyone knows about this, so apply. You don't know what God can do for you. Apply. It's not late. Don't look at the time.
start your application immediately. You understand? Thank you.